Nagpabutsag si Attorney Lorna Capunan sang pagkadismaya sa depensa matapos ginsiling-siling nga wala nagtuman ang defense team sa nakasugtan nga pagkitaay nila para magkumparar sang mga dokumento sa impeachment trial. Ginsiling ni Capunan bilang counsel sang prosecution panel nga gin-indian o kung gin-indian sila sang defense team matapos wala sila gidayon nagsabat sa ilang text message kung saan o sila makitaay Huwebes o kung Biyernes ang nagligad nga semana. Sunod kay Capunan, 5:38 sang gabi o kana sang hapon sang Huwebes lamang nagsabat ang depensa kag ginsiling nga available sila sa Agosto 14. Ginpahayag ni Capunan nga maatahag ang direktiba sang presiding officer nga dapat sila nga magsugtanay sa petsa sang pagkitaay sang Huwebes o kun Biyernes. Sunod sa iya, wala na sang pulos ang Agosto 14. Bangod sa mga adlaw ang trial. Natublag man si Capunan sa pahayag sang depensa nga wala sang direktiba nga Huwebes o kun Biyernes lamang dapat magsugtanay ang duwa ka kampo. Para kay Capunan, bad faith ang mga aktwasyon sang defense team.
We, this honorable court and presiding officer, will note that when we broke off last Wednesday, it was very clear that prosecution through this representation made a motion, in fact modified the motion, that we be allowed to present the documents, 4,492 documents, before the honorable clerk of court. And for purposes of comparison, Your Honor, and this honorable presiding judge will recall that it did issue a directive to the parties to make themselves available on Thursday and Friday of last week, just mutually agreeing on a common time, Your Honor. Also, the clerk of court was directed to make themselves available either on Tuesday or Friday or both days, subject to a time agreed upon by both counsels for the petitioner and the respondent. Ito po ang nangyari, na-indyan po kami. Why do I say that? Wednesday, we made a text message, and I have the text messages here. When do we meet? Tomorrow or Friday? Wala pong sagot nung Wednesday. On Thursday, we waited the whole day. Kailan tayo magmi-meet? Thursday na ngayon. Friday na bukas. Our witness will be on board on Monday.
Si Attorney Lorna Capunan, naglahog naman si Impeachment Court Presiding Officer Senator Cheese Escudero kay House Private Prosecutor Attorney Lorna Capunan matapos siligin-siling nga wala sila nakabaton sang sabat halin sa defense panel kaangod sa plano nga meeting para sa pagkumpara sang mga dokumento. Suno kay Escudero, matahag nga Huwebes o kon Biyernes ang nagligad nga semana ang gintala na ang adlaw para sa pagsinapol. Pahayag ni Escudero, sa baylo nga na Indian si Capunan, gin-ghost lang ini bangod wala siya ginsabat. Sabat naman ni Capunan nga gin-ignore ini.
Ako na magre-respond para sa kanya asayo Attorney Capunan. The chair did make a ruling, issue an order for the parties to try to meet Friday or Thursday. However, for whatever reason, lack of lawyers or inclement weather, that did not happen. Chair would just like to correct, hindi ka Attorney Lorna ininjan, baka ginost ka. Kasi hindi ka sinagot eh. Pero hindi ka ininjan, wala namang pinag-usapan date pa eh.
Inignore.
Ghost na nga eh. Ghost na bago ngayon. Hindi na. Ghost na yung bago ngayon.
Ghosting.
But having said that, the chair notes, because the chair also inquired, that given what happened in the pre-trial, wherein the copies of the exhibits marked by the respondent, no copies were retained by the court. So the chair would like to request the counsels for respondent to kindly furnish the court with a copy of the marked pieces of evidence during pre-trial. Kasi apparently meron kaming pre-marked pieces of evidence from the prosecution, but not all the pre-marked pieces of evidence from the respondent. So in lieu of meeting, kindly just submit that, Attorney Christine, so that we can do the comparison ourselves, either as a court or through the individual senator judges.
Ginsiling man ni House Private Prosecutor Attorney Lorna Capunan nga ginaligar sang defense team ni Vice President Sara Duterte nga kulang sila sa mga abogado. Gani wala sila nakatambong sang gintalanang nga meeting. Kaupod ang House Prosecution Team sang nagligad nga semana. Sunod kay Capunan nga nahatagan man sang kahigayonan ng depensa nga magtambong apang wala inigintuman. Sunod kay Capunan nabatian nila o kung nabatian nila sa isa ka interview nga hindi bastante ang numero sang mga abogado sang depensa agud matigayon ang meeting kag masunod ang direktiba sang presiding officer. Pahayag pa ni Capunan nga 15 ang abogado sang defense team. Apang ginrason gyapon nila nga wala sila sang bastante nga abogado o kon tiempo para makasunod sa direktiba sang impeachment court.
If counsel will say we are not given the opportunity first, they've been given the opportunity. They refuse. And the reason being, number one, they don't have enough lawyers now. We heard on an interview that they did not have enough lawyers and could not follow the directive of the presiding officer. 15 lawyers for the defense, for the respondent. They did not have enough lawyers, nor the time to comply with the directive of this honorable presiding officer. Lastly, Your Honor, in any event, Your Honor, there is no denial of due process. They will have the opportunity when all of these documents are presented in a formal offer of evidence. That is their time to compare. That is their time to make their comments. That is their time to raise their objections, Your Honor, when it is formally offered in evidence in due course.
Sabay naman sang kampo ni Duterte, ginplastar ni Defense Counsel Attorney Christine Ferrer nga hindi na kinahanglan nga magkumparar sang dokumento bangod nagadepende sa korte ang pag-apresyar sang authenticity sang acknowledgement receipts. Suno kay Ferrer, katungdanan sang prosecution panel nga pamatud-an kag ipakita sa formal nga hearing ang competency sang mga testigo. Dugang niya, nawad-an na sila sang kontrol sa mga dokumento humalin sang gin-turn over ini sa COA. Gani, sa session hall na sa session na ini, dapat isa-isa nga pamatud-an.
At least we have aligned with what we are expected to do before this honorable court. In fact, Your Honor, earlier this morning, I was asked by one of her partners about the comparison. And I actually told her partner, Attorney Lazaro, Attorney, we don't even need to compare the exhibits in order to expedite the proceedings. Because first of all, that's the authenticity of the exhibits is something that the court will have to decide. And the court will only decide on that after the prosecution has already submitted their offer of evidence, and that will be subject to our comment. And there's no need for us to actually compare the exhibits just so we can arrive at a stipulation that this and that are the same. And also, Your Honor, with regard to the identification of the witness of the exhibits, that goes into the witness competence. No, we did not stipulate here in open court that the witness is competent to identify the exhibits, Your Honor, kasi hindi naman ho namin kilala ho yung taga-COA. Pangalawa, we don't know the extent of her examination of the documents.